Alright, so this is Tibet ICT training section, and this is the batch B section. We are trying to see how we can be able to configure a computer set. Now we want to know every part inside the computer and their function of each part inside the computer. So as I raise them out, please know their work, their name, their uses, and why are they used in every section. Now let's start from this. We have this. We have we could not be able to lose them out, but in the computer we have some main functional components which I'm trying to pull them out one by one. I think these are the basics I can pull out. The rest I have to use my screw, but without waste of time, in the computer part you will see the back. That's what we call the power pack. Now this power pack, it always comes by sizes, and this power pack is what helps the CPU to boost up its power and share current to each component inside the computer. The power pack is just like your brain, so there's not everything a child brain can carry. So there's a quantity of educational session that each part of his body needs. You might be learning, but your hand is weak to write. You might be learning, but your leg is weak to even be at the floor. Even your bum will be weak to sit, you fit to stand. That is to say, the required energy is not there. That's what this power pack is doing. So he supplies each component and each part inside the computer the quantity of current needed. Inside the power pack, there is a part called the fan, which is the cooler, which is back here. You will see there's always a cooler for the power pack, and there is a cooler for the motherboard. And this cooler for the motherboard helps the motherboard in the computer to never to get hot and never to get weak while working. You can use the motherboard for the next 1 year without shutting down the computer because of the help of the cooler. It always cool its working capacity. Then we now have what we call the motherboard. If we see inside the computer, we have a green board, and that is called the motherboard, and this is where all the functional components of the computer is being installed with. The motherboard is similarly with human being skeleton. So your skeletal is where all the frame